Hey there everybody, welcome back to another Noble Courses tutorial. In today's video I will be coding your ideas again, and in the last video one of my students commented that we should make a game where the player says dog and a dog appears in the game. How cool is that? Let's go ahead, let's make this work in Roblox Studio. So the first step that we have to do, open up Roblox Studio, let's go to the toolbox and I'll find that dog. So in the toolbox, search for dog. Find one that you like. I'll use this dog NPC. Click OK. Then you have to drag it down to the replicated storage. There you go. Replicated storage. Now make sure that the name over here it is dog. If it's dog1, make sure to change it to just dog. Otherwise it will not work. The next step that we're going to do, we're going to go to server script service, click plus, add a script, and I will be leaving the script down in the description or in the comment section down below. You can find it, and don't forget you can join the Discord. It's completely for free and you can ask as many questions as you want over there. Now what we're saying over here, we're telling the computer to go to replicated storage. As soon as the player says dog, we're going to get the dog from the replicated storage, and we're going to place it in front of the player. Now for the dog, make sure that you set a primary part. If you miss this step, it will not work. You can choose any one of these parts that you want. I'll just choose the first one, which is the head. Once that's all done, click play, test it out, and let's see it work. There you go. And you can keep on doing this as many times as you want. There we go. Now this is one of my favorite ones so far. Make sure to write your ideas in the comments below and I'll give them all a try. As always, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.